Hello children, Sairam. Children, in the last video I have explained you the introduction of the chapter that was HTML basics. Okay, today we are going to start the practical knowledge of that particular same chapter. Okay, so let's see our today's target to make a simple web page. So I will show you how to what we need to make. Okay, so this page today we are going to design. Okay, let's see one by one each and everything. You need to understand very carefully how I'm doing. Okay children, so let's start with me. Okay, now I'm minimizing this already made web page. So initially what you need to do children, see, we are going to make web pages, lots of web pages. So instead of saving on the desktop like this web page I have saved on my desktop. Okay, so instead of doing that, you can make one folder by clicking on the new button, click on the folder, and you can write any name on that. I am writing HTML web pages. I am making one folder. Okay, now from this moment only I am going to save all my web pages on the under this inside this folder only. Okay children, so now your second task is to open Notepad. Now go to your start button, or we can say that now this is window 8, so I need to click on that. So here I will write Notepad. Okay, so Notepad is in front of me. Now I'm making it maximized so that you can able to see clearly. Now, so our basic structure of HTML is this is less than sign, then write HTML. Now I have written HTML in the small letters. I told you children that HTML is a non-case sensitive language. Okay, for HTML upper letters and lower letters is one of the same thing. So you can write in HTML in capital letters also and in small letters also. Okay, so here I have written in small letters. Now this is a container tag. We are having two types of tag. One is container and second is empty tag. So in container tag, what you need to do, you have to close each and every tag. So this is a tag HTML. Now this is your less than sign, this is your greater than sign, between you have written HTML. So now this is tag, not a HTML word. This is a tag because it comes under this less than sign and is greater than sign. You can make this sign with the help of keyboard. You can press shift button and you can easily make this less than and greater than sign. Okay, now you need to close this. See, I have entered, I have pressed enter. After that I come in the next new line. You need to close this HTML. So I am closing this HTML. Okay, so in container tag, whatever tag you open, you need to close that. So after that, put spaces. Okay, now what you need to do, make another tag that is head. Okay, under head, title tag come. Now what is the meaning of title? See children, whenever you open any browser, so here I am having Google Chrome. So let's see, in this you are able to see this HTML to welcome to HTML world, welcome to my first web page, welcome to my first web page. You are able to see this. So this is your title place. So whatever you want to print here, you are able to see where I am dragging my mouse. So whatever you want to print and any message you want to print here in this page, you can write under the title bar. So I am writing, hey, welcome to web designing. What we are doing, we are designing a web page. Okay, so I'm writing welcome to web designing. Okay, after that, now if you are able to see that this title bar recently opened, so I have to close this title bar first. After that, I have to close head bar. Okay, so close this title bar by using this backslash, write title again. Now again put vertical sign. Okay, after that open close this head tag also. Okay, now after head, the main part of your HTML document is body. Body is a place where you will design each and everything. Let's see where which part I'm saying body. This yellow part, you are able to see this yellow part. This yellow part represent your body of your web page. Okay, so whatever you write inside this body tag, each and everything will display here only. Okay, initially, so let me close this body first. Okay, close this. Now put enter like this. See, initially children, the color of body is white. Okay, let me show you. Let me write one message here. Okay, hi, I am Silky Sharma. I'm writing. Okay, hi, I am Silky Sharma. Okay, let's see, after designing this whole web page, this is a basic web page, what you are able to see on the web page. So how you can save it? Go to the file option, then you can click on the save option. You directly can click on Ctrl plus S button also. Now here you need to give one name to your HTML web page. So I am giving first. Then with this you need to give one extension. How? Using dot, then you write HTML, or you can write HTML. So I am using HTML here. So now choose your folder. Okay, HTML web page folder is there, so choose that. Now your whole document will save inside this. Okay, now I'm opening this web page. Now save inside this, so your web page go directly in that folder. Now minimize this. Let's move to the desktop. Now this is your HTML web page. Open that particular folder. Here is your first web page. You are able to see this Google Chrome icon here, because by default in my computer it is set Google Chrome as a default page, so that page is directly converted into Google Chrome web page. If in your computer Opera web browser is there, Internet Explorer browser is there, by default it will convert into that web browser icon. Okay children, no need to worry in that. Okay, now click on this. Okay, this is a kind of web page comes in front of you. So I'm closing the previous web page. This is the recent web page which we have designed right now. So you are able to see the message here, hey, welcome to the web designing. So this message we have written in the title bar, so directly it goes there. Okay, now you are able to see now. Okay, now hi, I am Silky Sharma. I have written this message inside the body, so it comes here. I told you that in the body section the default color of body is white and default font color is black, like Silky Sharma. Hey, I am a Silky Sharma. It comes in the black color. So by default color of font is black and the body color is white. So I want to change the color of my background. Instead of white, I want blue color. Okay, how you can do that? Like BG color is the attribute of body, so with the body tag only we can use that attribute. So now click after Y. Now put some space in that. After clicking the space bar, write down BG. Now color spelling is COLOUR, but in HTML color spelling we use COLOR. Okay, now equal to, in the underscore write down what you write. I told you I want blue color, so write down blue. Okay, now after doing changes, control plus S. Now press control S, your changes has been saved. Close this. Now reload this page. See, the background color is blue now. Okay, now minimize this. If you want to open the coding again, how you can open? Click, right click on this first. This dialog box come in front of you. Okay, click on open with, then click on notepad. Your coding come in front of you. Okay children, now instead of blue color I want yellow color. To change the color I can put yellow. Okay, now one more thing we are going to change here. I want font color also. Hi, I am Silky Sharma should be written in red color. So how you can change? You can use font tag, less than sign, font, close this font. Okay, now inside font color you need to change font color. Give font color, you want red color, put red. Okay, now only this font I want red color. So if you want only this font red color, close after Sharma. Okay, close after Sharma this font, so your text will be in red color. Now control S, your changes going to be saved. Now again open this web page. See, yellow is the background. Now your text color is red. You are able to see the changes children. Okay, now again what I want to increase the size of my text, and I want this hi I am Silky Sharma in middle of your web page. How you can do? So now font color you have decided, use center tag, CENTER, center. Close this tag. Now after Sharma again you need to close this, because if you don't close this, the whole tag, whole text whatever written in the body, it goes in the center of your web page. I just want this particular line in the center, so that is why I am closing the scope, like I am closing here after Sharma only, because I want only this particular sentence in the center. Okay, now control plus S. After that reload this page. See, hi I am Silky Sharma is in the center now. Okay, so instead of hi I am Silky Sharma, I am writing this is my first heading. I would like to write this. Okay children, so control plus S, then again open this Google Chrome, reload this page, my first heading. Now message has been changed now. Okay children, now one more thing I would like to add in this. I want this particular text in bold. Okay, so before my open again tag, use B. B stand for bold. Now only this particular sentence I want in bold. Close this bold tag. Okay, control plus S. Again reload this page. You are able to see the difference between the previous and the right now after using the bold tag. Okay, now children, see, I want to introduce here one more thing, like we are having 6 types of heading. 6 types of heading means heading 1 font size should be bigger, then after second heading its size should be small, then third more small, fourth more small, in that way. So we are having 6 types of heading basically. So let me use that in this particular web page only. What I am doing, see I am copying this particular line, this whole line. Select this line, whole line. Let me show you. I am reducing the size so that I am able to see the whole programming. Like see, whole line you are able to see now. Select the whole line like this, click on that, copy. Now enter, control V, space, again enter, control V, paste, again enter, control V, paste, again enter, control V, again enter, control V. How many times I have written? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now 6 I need because 6 types of headings are there. Let me show you what is the difference between all of them. Okay, now I want to show my first heading in the bigger font. So right here H1 stand for the bigger font. Okay, this is a kind of heading, so you have to close at the end, because here we are giving H1 in the front, so this H1 should come in the last. Okay, in this way you need to close this. Okay, now control plus S. Now see the changes whatever we have done. Reload this page. See, my first heading font is greater because we have used here H1. Okay, now see the difference for the next. Now here I am writing for the next heading, I am writing H2. Now heading 2, so according to the first heading, its font size decrease and increase by the third one. So I am writing, this is my second heading. Okay, you have to close at the end H2. Okay, control S. Now see the changes. See, this is your first heading, bigger font, then less than the first one but greater than the third. Okay, this is the difference. Now we will try to do with all of them. So this is H3, it is H3. Next will be H4, heading 4. H stand for heading. Now this is your H5. This will be your H6. Okay, now you have to close each of them in the end also, because they all are container tag. You need to close them. H3 close, then in the next line H4 close, then in the next line you need to close H5 also, then in the next line you need to close H6 also. Okay, now control S, save all the changes, then after that reload this page. Here we go. So this is your H1 heading, then this is your H2 heading, H3, H4, H5, H6. Okay, according to your, if you want greater font, you can use H1, you can use H2, according to your need, children. See, I hope you all are able to do this simple coding in your laptop, in your desktop. Try this coding. This is very easy, very interesting chapter, children. Okay, now in the next video we will do in more advanced, so try this simple coding. I will share the coding very soon in the description box, or separately I will provide you notes for this chapter, children. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Okay, and let's we will meet in the next video very soon. Okay, take care.